Hi guys! So, may na-discover ako sa Canva na pwede pala tayong mag-record ng video gamit ito. So, I have this assignment of mine. So, I will try to put my video on this right side, dito sa lower left. So, and then, punta tayo dito sa uploads. You see this? Record yourself. So, ito, inire-record ko yung sarili ko. I'm describing the PowerPoint at my back. So, there. Business analytics. You can also move this after. So, done na natin yung recording. Save and exit. Tada! Diyan yung video natin. Play na siya. You can put it here. You can put it here. You can also put it here. Yan. So, habang nagpa-play yung video, pwede natin i-try. Pwede ako mag-play. So, wala lang siyang audio, guys. Nung nagbe-video na ako niyan. So, nagre-recording. Pero, naririnig ko yung sarili ko at the same time, yung background music no PowerPoint. Yeah. So, there. Ang galing, di ba? So, follow me for more tutorials!